Hi, this is Pat with Pat and Unique Bleaks by Nisha and more and things, and you already know. Well, y'all know earlier I had did a little short because I was taking my stuff out the bag to show y'all, and my camera kept messing up. So I was getting ready to change out because these things that I had in up through the week. So I'm getting ready to change out because I'm going to out to eat and get me a little Chinese food today. So y'all know here was the cup that I had. And this is the purse that I had. And I'm getting ready to change into this one. Y'all know this is the one I got from Goodwill. So this is how it's going to go. Okay, here I'm just going to change over some things. Here, this is cute. It got the zip gold hardware. And on the inside, it's a mirror. So I had my tissue. This is a Baccarat oil. And this is my sanitizer. And this is my breath freshener. And in here I have some pads and some bathroom toilet covers and different things in here. Okay. So that's what was in here. And then y'all know in here, this is my daughter's cards. And I have, it's a postage stamp right there, a prayer up in there. And on the inside, I have a book of stamps, postage stamps. And here, y'all know these are my medicines. And this is what I got this from Temu, with a little charm from Temu. I love those things because, I was in the medical field. And this was my candy. In here was like a little body mist and a lotion. I just love to keep different kind of colognes in my purse, y'all, because y'all know on Sunday I do my refresh that I wear through the week. And this Victoria's Secret. And in here, I just had my lippy and a lipstick. I have a whole lot of those, y'all. I would like to give some away. And since I'm changing over, I was going to, it say, and off she went to change the world. This is the color. And I was just going to put that in here. And I'll put this in here. And then this, it said keep it together. I'm going to change it over to this. Take the plastic off. And this is how she look inside. It's an Estee Lauder. And I'm going to put my lotion in there. And I'll put all these things over in here. And this is my card. My thing with my cards in. Okay. And this, y'all, this is my paper towels. Not paper towels, y'all know. You know how you get on that in front of the camera, then your mind kind of go. These are Kleenex wipes. Okay. So now I'm gonna take all those. I'm gonna put it in here. In here. And in here like this. And this is the cologne, yes, Mercy's. I'm gonna stick that down in there. And my candy, I'm gonna put them in here. in my little M&M bag. And in here, I'm going to put my change and stuff down in here. Because I know I'm not going to have time to do all that on here. And I'm going to stick my medicine down in here. So this is how she look, y'all, on the inside now. Pretty, huh? And then I have this little zip down the side. I just put my keys down there. And here is my mask. I think I got that from Temu. And here's my little exercise